So here we have the Metrios Cross, a shop floor measurement system. It is 270mm in the X by 200mm in the Y, and with a shop floor based design, it can sit next to your lathes, CNC or injection molding systems, as well as inside the quality lab. The machine premise is that it's extremely easy to use and program. So in this example, I've got a pressed component and I want to start my measurements. Well, I start my measurements inside the software. And the first thing that the software asks me is what lighting would I like to use? I can use lighting from the stage, lighting from the top where the camera is located, and lighting from around the camera. I am going to use backlight. The machine also comes equipped with an adjustable ring light, meaning that the ring light can be deployed downwards to block out any ambient lighting which may surround the machine. The machine can take an image both from a single field of view and from around the entire stage, depending on the component size. As well as that, the machine can autofocus, so if your part was not in focus, you can get the part to be placed into focus by the machine itself. But my image looks okay, so I'm going to execute that image. The program starts, and it then becomes available for measurement. So in this example, I've got a few main requirements. First one being my width. So I draw along the left-hand edge. This will automatically snap a line measurement to the left-hand side. I draw on the right-hand edge, and that will snap another line measurement to the right-hand side. If I then want the distance between the two of those, I can choose one edge to the other edge. It will present to me the measurements which are possible between those two lines, and I can then choose my distance tool. As soon as I do that, it then presents me with the result. I can modify the actual, the nominal rather, and the tolerances. And I can carry on measuring, so I can measure my top edge, the bottom edge, bottom to top, get my distance. I can then measure my diameters in the bottom right corner, just by drawing around my circles. Each time I draw around the circles, it gives me the result, same as with all my other measurements. I can get my other circle. I can then get the distance between those two circles. So it's an extremely easy to use system. This is then creating a program, or I can just print a report. I can print a report from this view, which will then give me an image of the part, a first article inspection, and everything that you'll need to then carry on with your production processes. This will then create a program which can be run by the operator in any view, any orientation, and within 4 seconds you can then have a result back from that program. So really easily, you have got a shop floor measurement system, meaning less downtime for your machines and easier access to measurement for your operators. If you've got any questions about the machine itself, please get in touch with us at Metrios UK.